What if you could combine the power of Web3 and AI to create an unstoppable force for business growth and innovation? This is the question that we'll be exploring in today's episode as we delve into the exciting world of Web3 and AI integration. With the recent advancements in Groq chip architecture and humanoid robots with AI, it's clear that we're on the cusp of a revolution. But what does this mean for businesses, and how can they leverage these technologies to stay ahead of the curve? To answer this question, we need to start with the basics. Web3 refers to the next generation of the internet, where users have more control over their data and interactions. AI, on the other hand, is a technology that enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. When combined, these two technologies have the potential to create a new paradigm for business, one that is more efficient, more innovative, and more customer-centric.
That's right. And to understand the potential of Web3 and AI integration, we need to look at some of the latest trends and innovations in this space. For example, the Sora AI video update has shown us the power of AI in content creation, while the advancements in AI in healthcare 2025 are transforming the way we approach patient care. We're also seeing the emergence of new technologies like the Firestorm Labs drone factories, which are using AI to take production to the next level. As we explore these trends and innovations, it's clear that Web3 and AI integration is not just a buzzword, but a reality that is already transforming businesses worldwide. From supply chain management to customer service, these technologies are enabling companies to operate more efficiently, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. But what are the challenges and limitations of Web3 and AI integration, and how can businesses overcome them?
One of the main challenges of Web3 and AI integration is the lack of standardization and regulation. As we've seen with the recent controversy surrounding the use of AI in war, there are many ethical and moral implications that need to be considered. Moreover, the development of Web3 and AI technologies requires significant investment in infrastructure, talent, and research. However, for businesses that are willing to take the leap, the rewards can be substantial. For example, companies like IBM are already using AI to regulate SDLC costs, while others like Google are using AI to improve their customer service. We're also seeing the emergence of new business models, like the Shapes app, which is bringing humans and AI into the same group chats. These are just a few examples of how Web3 and AI integration can create new opportunities for businesses, and we'll be exploring more of these examples in our next section.
As we look to the future, it's clear that Web3 and AI integration will continue to play a major role in shaping the business landscape. With the emergence of new technologies like GPT 5.5, we're seeing the potential for AI to become even more sophisticated and powerful. Moreover, the increasing adoption of Web3 technologies is enabling businesses to operate more securely, transparently, and efficiently. So, what does this mean for businesses, and how can they prepare for the future of Web3 and AI integration? First and foremost, they need to stay informed about the latest trends and innovations in this space. They need to invest in the development of new skills and talent, and they need to be willing to experiment and take risks. They also need to consider the ethical and moral implications of Web3 and AI integration, and ensure that they're using these technologies in a responsible and sustainable way.
In conclusion, the integration of Web3 and AI is a game changer for businesses, enabling them to operate more efficiently, innovate more rapidly, and create new opportunities for growth. As we've seen in this episode, the potential of Web3 and AI integration is vast, and the rewards can be substantial. However, it's also important to consider the challenges and limitations of these technologies, and to ensure that they're used in a responsible and sustainable way. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of Web3 and AI integration and take your business to the next level, then be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes like this one. We'll be exploring the latest trends and innovations in the world of AI and Web3, and providing actionable advice and insights for businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Like and subscribe to our channel now.